Hi friends, I am Sajid and welcome to SciTech Guru. In this video, I'm going to compare the display quality between the Redmi Note 8 Pro versus the Redmi K20 Pro. So I know this is not the fair comparison because the Redmi Note 8 Pro, whereas this is a mid-range mobile and Redmi K20 Pro is a high-end mobile. But I just want to compare the side-by-side panels between the IPS panel versus the Super AMOLED panel in the same company from the Redmi. So if you're new to my channel, subscribe to my channel guys, SciTech Guru, and do check the links in description for the playlist which contain in detail reviews about both the devices and a lot of other devices which I have reviewed in my channel. So before starting the video, let me show you what model I'm using right now in this video. As you can see here, Redmi Note 8 Pro and the Redmi K20 Pro over here. So throughout this video, I'll be playing the same video in both the phones and demonstrating how is the color saturation levels, how is the brightness levels as well. And other one thing which the advantage in the Redmi K20 and the K20 Pro is that in the K20 and K20 Pro you'll get this kind of option where you can boost up the colors. So if you open the Game Turbo application in the Redmi K20 Pro, so here you need to add the MX player as a game. So let me add MX player. So why I'm saying is that once you add the MX player, so now you need to go to the additional settings. So let me increase the font size because it's very small right now. Yeah. So once you add the MX player in the game, as you can see here, so let me show you. I added the MX player. So if you tap plus icon here, as you can see, all the MX player is there. So now you need to tap the settings and go to the additional settings and click the MX player. And when you scroll down, you'll get this kind of enhanced visual features where you can increase the saturated levels as well. As you can see here, which will be impact very much while watching the videos in MX player or Amazon Prime videos on Netflix, YouTube, or any other application which you want to increase the saturation levels. So this is the best way to do in the Redmi K20 Pro, which has even high saturation levels when compared with the OnePlus 7 Pro and the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus as well. So which I've seen huge improvement in that. So whereas in the Redmi Note 8 Pro, so if you open same game speed booster, and let me add the MX player. So as you can see here, I have added the MX player and go to the settings. And if you scroll down to the advanced settings and let me open the MX player. So now here in the Redmi Note 8 Pro, you won't get that kind of option to increase the visual features. Whereas in the Redmi K20 and K20 Pro, you'll get this kind of option to increase the enhance the visual features, as you can see. So these are the different settings which are for in the Redmi Note 8 Pro. So right now in the testing purpose, I'll be disabling the video enhancement mode. So to keep the equal comparison between both the phones. So as you can see here, I have disabled the game speed booster both in the Redmi K20 Pro and the Note 8 Pro as well. So now let me try to open the MX player. So this is the overall difference I have noticed in the Redmi K20 and the K20 Pro versus the Redmi Note 8 Pro. So I think because the Redmi Note 8 Pro is using the IPS panel, whereas the Redmi K20 Pro is using the Super AMOLED panel. So where you can clearly increase the saturation levels and colors in the Redmi Note 8 Pro. I think that is the reason the Redmi MI they did not include that visual enhancement features in the Redmi Note 8 Pro. So as you can see friends, here is the Redmi K20 Pro in the bottom one, and the top one is a Redmi Note 8 Pro. So you can easily identify by seeing the notch area on the top. So here you can notice clearly guys, the saturation levels are in the Redmi Note 8 Pro is very good, far better than Redmi Note 8 Pro. So as you can see here, so I have increased the brightness to the maximum in both the phones. So clearly you can see the brightness levels are pretty high in both the phones. This is a huge difference guys. So just look at side by side comparison between both the phones. So overall the IPS panel is not that high saturated in the Redmi Note 8 Pro. So here you can see clearly So all the dark area is clearly visible, whereas in the Redmi Note 8 Pro it's not visible. So overall, if you're planning for the good mobile with a good display, I would suggest you to buy the Redmi K20 model, which right now the price is around 20k. So if you want mid-range mobile with the best display feature, so better choose the AMOLED panel, so which is present in the Realme X device, which has a pop-up camera, and there is no notch, and there will be no disturbance on the screen if you are having the pop-up camera. So here you can see, guys, clearly the display in the Redmi K20 Pro is much better than the Redmi Note 8 Pro. So that's it, guys. It's a quick review comparison between both the panels in the Redmi Note 8 Pro versus the Redmi K20 Pro. So for more comparison videos, subscribe to my channel, guys, SciTech Guru. So do check the links in description for the playlist which contain in detail reviews about both the phones. So see you in the next video, guys. Until then, stay tuned to my channel. Bye.